In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make coloring books in Midjourney. So if you have kids and you want to make them some custom coloring books, maybe of photos of your pets, for example, you can do this. So what I'd recommend doing is going to prompt base. Now, this is a place where you can buy prompts for Midjourney. Now, if we click on this one here, we can see this gives us some different coloring options. What you can do here is buy this, and this is going to tell you the text that you need to write into Midjourney to then get an output like this. What you can do then is you can get a photo, say a photo of your dog, and use the /imagine command, and then paste a link to the photo of the dog, and then put this prompt afterwards. So what that's going to do is it's going to take your dog and put it in the style of this, or whichever style of prompt you decide on. Now, this is a really cool way to have some fun and make it unique. And there's so many different styles that you can do, like this, for example. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.